Do you want to know how you can create a group on Telegram? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a Telegram group. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. Click on the pen button, which you can see just above your photo, and click on new group. Now you can add your favorite people to the group, so go ahead and add some people of your choice and then click on the next button. What you can do is write down the name of the group and choose the photo of your choice. You can also use any type of emoji, so go ahead and choose the emoji if you like to, and go ahead and click set group photo. You can see that this emoji has been created as the group photo. You can also enable auto delete messages, and you can add your members individually and then click the tick mark. In a while you can see that your group has been created. To go to the group settings, go ahead and click on this, and you can see this is the settings, and you can add members, turn off the notifications, and if you go to the edit button, you can see that there are a lot of functions about the admins, permissions, reaction, chat history, and all of these. So guys, this is how you create a Telegram group. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.